If you want one DVD which gives you coverage of our commonest birds, this is it. It features 90 species and is a brilliant introduction to British birds. Here's the account for one of our most striking waders, the lapwing. Lapwings nest on farmland and grassland. Although their numbers have declined, they're still reasonably common birds. This is a distinctive bird. At longer ranges the upper parts simply look dark, but they're actually dark green with a metallic purplish gloss. Perhaps their most striking feature is the long wispy crest. It's longer on males than on females. In spring they perform erratic display flights with a wheezy whistled song. Even when they're not displaying, flying lapwings still look distinctive. They have loose, flappy wing beats and broad, rounded wings.
This and the dark and light plumage pattern pick them out at long range.